Narration, hook plus credibility plus promise content for how to buy rental property. Problem agitation content for how to buy rental property. Here is the truth. The secret isn't avoiding real estate. It's avoiding the management. B-roll. Fast cuts of a leaking pipe. A frustrated landlord on the phone. And a stack of unpaid bills. Most people confuse owning property with being a landlord. One is an investment. The other is a job. B-roll. Split screen, investment. Person sipping coffee, laptop. vs. job. Person scrubbing a floor. If you want true passive income, you need systems that decouple your time from your profit. Let's dive into 5 low-maintenance strategies for the busy investor. BROLL, graphic title card 5 low-maintenance strategies. Strategy 1, REITs. B-roll. Stock market ticker transitioning into a high-rise apartment complex. Real estate investment trusts are essentially the index funds of property. You buy shares in a company that owns massive portfolios. Think shopping malls, data centers, or warehouses. You get dividends without ever picking up a hammer. It is the ultimate set it and forget it play. BROLL, screen recording of a REIT dividend payout. Strategy 2, real estate syndications. B-roll. Animation of multiple small coins merging into one large gold bar. This is for those with more capital but zero time. You pool your money with a group of investors to buy a large asset. Like a 200-unit apartment complex. A professional operator, the general partner, handles the acquisition and the tenants. You are the limited partner. You provide the capital, they provide the sweat. You just collect the quarterly checks. B-roll. Professional handshake and a passive investor checklist. Strategy 3. Turnkey properties. B-roll. Cinematic shot of a freshly painted, modern interior of a suburban home. If you want to own the deed but hate the renovation, go turnkey. You buy a property that has already been renovated and has a tenant already signed. These companies often bundle the property with a management firm. BROLL, side by side of a fixer-upper vs. a turnkey home. You aren't buying a project. You are buying a cash-flowing asset from day one. Strategy 4. Full-service short-term rentals. B-roll. Fast montage of a luxury Airbnb interior and a 5-star review popping up. Now, Airbnb can be a nightmare if you do it yourself. But the pro move? Hire a full-service management company. They handle the cleaning, the guest communication, and the dynamic pricing. Yes, they take a percentage of the revenue. But your time is worth more than that percentage. B-roll. Person checking their phone and seeing a payout received notification. Finally, strategy 5. Medium-term rentals. B-roll. Shot of a traveling nurse or a corporate professional with a suitcase entering a nice apartment. This is the sweet spot. We're talking 30 to 90-day leases. Think traveling nurses or corporate relocations. You get higher rents than long-term leases, but far less turnover and wear and tear than short-term rentals. B-roll. Calendar showing a 3-month block of bookings. It's stable, professional, and requires minimal oversight. B-roll. Summary graphic listing all 5 strategies. REITs, syndications, turnkey, full-service STR, MTRs. Now, here is the secret. Even a low-maintenance strategy needs a system. B-roll. Screen recording of property management software dashboard. If you're still using spreadsheets, you are doing it wrong. I use the property management software linked below to automate rent collection and maintenance requests. It turns a side hustle into actual passive income. B-roll. Close-up of a payment received notification on a phone. But if you're still feeling overwhelmed by the how, you need a roadmap. B-roll. Fast cuts of real estate investment course modules and student testimonials. I highly recommend the investment course in the description. It skips the fluff and gives you the exact blueprints for the strategies we covered today. Imagine waking up to rental income without a single toilet at 3 a.m. phone call. BROLL. Person relaxing with a coffee, looking at a laptop, that is the goal. Wealth without the burnout. If you want more systems to reclaim your time and build your empire, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. BROLL. Animated, subscribe button and bell icon. Check the links below to get started. Closing curly bracket.